I'm with Shane, this is 60 Seconds with Steve. Mate, what model we got here?
We've got the Jackson Forward Fold.
How long you had it?
A year and a half.
Do you love it?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, it's been great for our family, yeah.
Best feature about it?
The quick setup for an overnight stop, yeah.
What do you think of MDC in general?
We're very happy with it. We've tested it out on a few tough tracks and it's stood the test so far. So
Coolest place you've been in it?
Probably the Walker's Crossing track in Inaminka, or just out of Inaminka, yeah.
Where are you from?
We're from Galway, South Australia.
And which way did you come to get here?
We came up the Strzelecki track.
Fantastic. Bucket list destination for the future?
Cape York.
And what about Cape York takes your fancy?
I think the tropical vibe and yeah, all the waterways and yeah, just be able to take the kids up there and this would be awesome. So.
How many kids do you put in it?
2.
And you find that comfortable?
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
I noticed you put up the annex. How easy was that?
It's pretty easy, yeah. And I do that with the girls. They help me set it up and everything, so yeah.
Terrific.
Yeah. No worries.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks, Steve.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, mate.